Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be talking about hair care and how to take care of your hair. I'm going to give you a lot of tips and tell you a few hacks how you can take care of your hair and make it shiny and strong like mine. So the very first tip is use a tangle teaser. Basically I have many of these in different variations. I keep in my handbag, I keep in my gym bag, I keep in my shoot bag, and basically this is a different brush. This is not the normal brush. So this helps you remove your tangles, and you find it anywhere. You can find it in Beauty Palace, or you can find it in any beauty shop, or you can find it online as well. So basically these bristles help with the circulation, and it's very important to that you should have very good circulation in your scalp, so that improves blood flow and your hair grows longer, shinier and healthier. Tip number 2 is never brush your hair when it's wet. So what happens is when it's wet, it's more prone to breakage. So your hair breaks a lot when it's wet and it keeps falling and looks damaged. So never ever brush your hair when it's wet. The next tip is drink a lot of water. It's very important to keep your skin, nails and hair hydrated, so drink a lot of water. Then I want to tell you to trim your split ends and your frizzy hair. So you can always, in a while, depends on how your hair grows and upon your texture and the quality of your hair, you can always go to a trusted hairstylist and ask them to just trim your frizzy hair or just the split ends down. I just got my hair trimmed today. That's why it's looking so nice. So you can also just get your hair trimmed from a trusted hairstylist. Nowadays there's a new method called dusting, wherein the salon people just cut your split ends, and it's really cool, and you should try out this method. And you should also keep trimming your hair in a little while, depends on how your hair is and how your growth is actually. And also I want to tell you one thing जो आपको सब बोलते होंगे, आपकी मम्मी, आपकी दादी, सब लोग यही बोलते होंगे कि oil your hair. So you need to really oil your hair. That increases circulation. Sometimes I just do this when I don't want to oil my hair. I just try to increase the blood circulation in my head. So I just do this sometimes without oil, because I really don't like oiling my hair. But I would suggest that if you guys can oil your hair, and if you don't have a very hectic lifestyle and you don't have to keep going out, apply oil once in a while. I am guilty of not applying oil. I apply oil once in 6 months. Whenever I go home, I tell my mom that mummy champli kar do. So I mix my favorite oils when she's oiling my hair. So basically I use castor oil. I mean, you can order all this on Amazon, or you'll find it on my Instagram. So there's castor oil, or you can use virgin coconut oil, or you can use this oil by Ras Essentials. This is a treatment and restorative nourishing hair oil for all hair types. And this is a mix of all hair oils. And or then you can use almond oil, you can use Moroccan oil, you can use any type of oils that you wish. So yeah, you really need to oil your hair so that there's circulation in your hair, your follicles grow faster, like your hair follicles have enough circulation to grow. So now I'm going to tell you about the inversion method, which is very popular. So you flip your hair and you slightly massage your scalp for circulation. So this sends all the blood rush to your scalp, which in return increases the blood circulation from your hair follicles. And now I'm going to show you a few products which I use every day. I mean, not every day, because I wash my hair like twice a week. क्या होता है ना, जब हम बहुत ज़्यादा वॉश करते हैं ना अपने बाल, so it really sucks the moisture out of your hair and it actually damages your hair. You think you're doing good by continuously washing your hair, but in return your hair becomes very frizzy and damage prone, which my hair had become because I used to wash very frequently, but now I've stopped it and I do it just twice in a week, unless that it gets very oily and sweaty because of gym. and recently just now I got a hair spa done. So I generally try my level best to not use too much heating products, but because I'm in a line like this and I shoot and do vlogs and do photo shoots and do brand promotions, so what happens is most of the time I am styling my hair and on my real hair. There are no extensions, no wig, nothing. I do it on my real hair, so that because I have colored hair, so you know, it looks a little better when I do it on my hair. So I prefer using my own hair, and because of which my hair gets really damaged, so I really need to take care a little more than other people do. But dilute your shampoo a little bit in water, because directly when we use the shampoo on our hair, it strips our hair of the natural oils. So I'll show you some stuff that I use. So this is one, and I have its conditioner as well. Then there is this. This I bought from here only. This is the Garnier Fructis oil and cream, oil replacement cream. This is nice. It's a okay product, not that great, but since I didn't find a replacement for this, I just bought this anyway. And then I have these are basically oils, and it also has a certain amount of serum in it. Whenever like you want to oil your hair, just open one strip. This I bought in Thailand in a fruit. Basically there was a shop which had all organic stuff and all fruit based stuff. So I bought this from there, and it's really cool. I'm gonna try it out. Okay, so this is a product that I bought online, and it's an anti-frizz shine serum. It just gives a little shine to the hair if you want that. But otherwise, if you talk about it being an anti-frizz product, it's a big no-no for me. But since it makes your hair look a little shiny, I just use it for that. I don't use it for frizz. Then I bought this from Amazon. This is the Volume and Craft and Plague. Actually, this is for volume. Whenever I want my hair to look a little voluminous, I use this product. So then there is the Citrus Argan Oil Spray. I use it when I'm straightening my hair or curling my hair. But I also have another thing that I use. This product I used to, it's a mousse. I use it when I'm curling my hair. Then this was the conditioner, Uska Bhai. And then there is this company which has sent me, that's called Brillare Science. They sent me their shampoo and their conditioner, and it's very good for dandruff and damaged hair. They have many variants, so you can check it out. Again, this is on Insta. It's called Brillare, Brillare, Brillare Science. Then there are a few serums that I use. One is, it's a Biotique. It's a BioLace serum. Okay, then this one I bought from the same store, the fruit store called Nutura. It is all-in-one hair serum. It protects split ends up to 5 centimeters in length, and it's supposed to be really good. And actually, I've used it right now. You can just see the result that the frizz is controlled, and it really looks nice. So you can buy this when you're traveling. And then I use the Pantene Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. I use this when I wash my hair, so I leave it in my a little damp hair. So basically 2 products from the whole list which I leave in my a slightly damp hair, and these 2 products I can just apply on my hair after washing my hair. And you can just leave it in like a conditioner, and you should definitely apply a mask once in a week. And I have this amazing mask by this company which sent me, and I know it got stuck with a lot of customs, and they were just trying to steal my shampoo and conditioner. I love this mask. It got stuck with customs here, and many of my things get stuck with customs whenever people send me PR packages or anything really nice. India के customs तो आप जानते ही हो. 3 बार तो मेरे Dior के perfumes निकाल लिए, and I had to plus pay the price as well. So custom people, that's for you. Anyway, so this is my mask, and I genuinely love it. I was so excited I took off the cover just to show you. So it's the Giorgio main mask. It's a 10-minute hair mask. It's equivalent to the Aussie hair mask and I love that brand. It's 2-minute miracle. I'm recommending you products that I genuinely use, and this is the hair mask. I use it and I really like this hair mask. I hope that you really like this video.